Farming with Tyron and Karen
Hi.
for Clean and Happy Pigs. So Karen, today our episode is how to cook a tenderloin, pork tenderloin. So this tenderloin came from our farm. Yung produce natin. Now tayo na yung nagbi-breed.
Yeah.
And then after nating breed, palalakihin natin yung cage nila. Yung pens nila, meron silang swimming pool, continuous water, and no growth hormones.
Right.
And no antibiotics, yung scheduled antibiotics that you do.
Yeah.
Because right now, ang kailangan natin talaga is some farm and some food producer that will produce healthy. Yung talagang healthy. Yung walang growth hormones, like kasi ngayon, Karen, like for example, before, back in the days, ang dyan is like yung mga chicken. Bago mo siya maging madrest, it takes 45 days. Now it's only 21, 22 because of the growth hormones. So with that, we will try to produce as much as we can, really healthy, free. So now, we will score this and to make sure that it is well prepped, and then we will season this, and after 20 to 30 minutes, and then we can cook this already. Hi, so we're back. So after 20 minutes, tapos na-season na. Ayan, makita nyo. Salt and pepper lang. So makikita nyo ngayon, kasi ang effect ng salt, pag mangingintab yung taas. So ibig sabihin yung nagkakaroon na ng reaction yung salt dyan. And then afterwards, nilagyan ko siya ng pepper. Okay, so ito yung mga ibang bits yung hindi pantay para maganda yung itsura natin. Punta na tayo dito sa aming kitchen. So ito, mainit na to. Mainit na tong natin. Okay. So ang pagluto nito is mga 8 minutes lahat-lahat, no? So orasan na lang natin yan. Ito yung mga ibang pieces para sinama ko na rin, sayang eh. But normally, ito lang talaga yan. Okay? Ano yung isang lalagyanan mo? Okay, so kung 8 minutes, kalimitan, bawat isang side, lutuin natin siya ng 2 minutes, 2 minutes and a half. Okay. After nito, after lutuin natin ng 8 minutes, ihinaan natin yung apoy, paikutin lang natin. Tapos ang gusto natin dito is maluto ito na kulay pink yung loob. Okay. By the way, hindi lahat ng pork pwede nyo lutuin ng medium rare, medium, because kailangan masigurado nyo na maganda yung pinanggalingan ng ng source ng baboy nyo. Like for example, in our case, ayan, 2 minutes na, lagyan natin sa kabila, ayan. Okay, so makikita nyo, brown, golden brown. So ayan, na baliktad na natin several times yung tenderloin, and we will cook it 2 minutes each side. Pero ang gagamitin natin dito is apat na sides para masigurado natin that everything is evenly cooked. Ang temperature na kailangan natin dito is around 60 degrees. After natin lutuin to 8 minutes, meron tayong option na ilagay ito sa oven for 10 to 15 minutes. 180 degrees. No? Parang maluto lang siya overall. But kung walang oven or anything, like what we'll do right now, what we'll do is after natin maluto na 8 minutes, then slow fire lang, low fire, and then iikot-ikot lang natin siya. Ayan, we're almost done. And we will prepare this very soon. We will let it rest for 8 to 10 minutes. And then after that, we're gonna slice it. And dadating na ang aming bisita, si Peter and si Kat. Ito, nandito na yung aming guest, si Kat and si
Hello!
Peter. Ayan, so anuhan na natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung resulta. Perfect ito, 60 degrees. So, okay. So, 1 to 1,
Ooh,
Okay.
see that juiciness.
Okay. Okay. So, medyo may lumalabas pang smoke, pero okay na rin yan. Ideally, mga yan.
It's a nice crust.
Okay.
Smells so good.
Spit. Okay. Oops. Okay. I-present na lang natin ng Okay. So, yan.
The center one is really juicy.
Yeah.
Ang sinasabi ko nga sa kanila, hindi lahat ng pork pwede mong kainin
Ganito.
ng ganito.
Yeah.
Kasi kailangan talaga sigurado ka sa pinanggalingan, yung process. Okay? So, yan. I would still probably cook a bit here.
The middle part.
Yeah.
This one looks good. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
Sige, bigyan ko lang ng I'll probably, this is the
I think you can.
Yeah, here. Yeah, natin siguro one of the best part na ko will be this one. Okay?
Yeah.
So, ay, lagyan natin ng the gravy.
Mama, you cover me here. Mama, cover me. I wanted to cover me.
Ano ba yung sabi ko ito? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mama, I'm hungry.
At meron pa isa dyan.
Good, good,
Ito na.
We
good.
have multiple forks.
Yeah. Okay. So, yan. Kuha na lang natin ng Can you take photo before?
Bako ng bako ng sauce mo. Yan, ganyan lahat. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ganyan.
Yes.
It's so dark. I'm a slipper.
Shadow. Dito mo una. Or here. Yan.
That is with my blanket. What's wrong with my blanket?
Okay. Okay. So, eto. Asan?
Ayan.
Meron na?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay? Sige. Okay. Kanya-kanya. Okay. Kuha kayo. Tignan naman natin. Wow.
This blanket is so hard.
So this one.
Wow. Wow. Kuha tayo ng ito naman.
Smells so good.
I'm hungry.
Here, come here.
Gusto ko yung mga ganyan, yung pink.
The pink one. Oh.
Bala.
Here.
Bala.
Yummy.
Pa.
I want food.
Can you take a photo with that?
I want the back.
This one?
I want the back.
Bala, you have to try this. Ate, ako na sila.
Wow! Walang,
Yes. So clean.
Actually, it tastes like
parang
steak. Parang steak talaga,
Yeah,
bro.
actually.
Yeah.
It tastes like steak.
Wow.
Here, Bella, come here.
Kuya.
Hey.
I think this is a breakthrough.
I want.
Okay, you want.
Ayun. Kita mo. Say pati si Is it good?
Is it good?
Give me the
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Pedro, is it good? Give us thumbs up. Yummy.
Yeah.
Yes.
What about Bella? Okay, so I think
Pedro,
I think it's safe to say that our pork doesn't taste like pork. Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
Mo parang stick na.
Imagine this.
Pwede mo ito i-blind test.
Yeah.
Steak
Oh,
and
steak. Yeah. Okay. So, thank you very much everyone. This is Farming with Tyron and Karen. Kasama for Clean and Happy Place. Kasama namin yung aming partner, si Peter and si Kat. So, here we go. We have another winner.
Yep.
Chef's
Pork
kiss.
tenderloin medallion for the win. So,
Yeah,
thank you very much everyone. Always remember, farmers are heroes.
Heroes.
We love you all.
Love you all.
Bye.
Say bye.